the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Today we're going to be making French toast. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 8 slices of the brioche style bread. Make sure you get the thick sliced. Also, we're going to need 4 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of oil. I am using olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm also using ground nutmeg and ground allspice. That's optional. If you don't want to use that, you don't have to. And some people like to also put cinnamon in their French toast. That's also optional. And just a dash of salt. Also, guys, your favorite syrup. Okay, guys, as you see, I have measured out all of our ingredients. Next, go ahead and get you a whisk and a bowl so we can combine them and make our batter. Okay guys, I have my bowl. I'm going to add our eggs in, our brown sugar, our heavy whipping cream, a pinch of salt, our vanilla. And like I said before, guys, the ground allspice is optional. I'm going to be adding just a little bit. And also our ground nutmeg. If you like I said, you can add cinnamon if you choose to. Just a little bit of ground nutmeg. And then we're going to take our whisk and mix everything together. Okay guys, I've mixed our ingredients. Now we're going to go ahead and get this type of pan if you have it. And we're going to pour everything in there. Okay guys, next we're going to heat our pan up and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In the beginning of the video, I had said 1. I made a mistake. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. I'm going to let that coat the bottom of our pan and heat up. Then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt. Remember, put your pan on medium-low heat. Okay guys, the butter is melting nicely with the oil. Next, we're going to move on to our brioche bread and coat it in our mixture. Alright, what we want to do is take 1 slice, put it in your mixture, make sure everything is nicely coated. Then we're going to put it in the frying pan. Okay guys, we're getting ready to add our first piece. And all you do is repeat the process. Okay guys, we're going to cook the French toast 4 to 5 minutes on both sides until you get a nice little brown. Remember to cook your French toast nice and slow. Guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, once you flip it, you want to cook it for the same amount of time on the other side, 4 to 5 minutes. When it's done, you want to get your plate and start putting them on there. And you can heat your oven to 200 degrees to keep it warm until all your French toast is done. Okay guys, take a look at this. Beautiful, perfect French toast. Now, put a little bit of butter on top. Take some blueberries. Get you some raspberries. Put a little bit around the plate. Drop you some more blueberries in there. Look at that. So beautiful, and it smells very good. Now guys, here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. And please come back. If you like it, press the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. And this is Nana the Saucy Chef.